Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm back with another cash flow tip of the day. And today's cash flow tip is around debtor days. Debtor days, remember, are the number of days it takes your customers on average to pay you. The less number of days, the better for you, because it means the cash is hanging around in your business for you to use longer, and then you don't have the stress so much of paying your bills as they fall due. So today's cash flow debtor days tip is to give your customers several options to pay. Sometimes we choose our payment methods because they're convenient for us, but if we can flip our thinking and give our customers payment methods that are easier for them, they're much more likely to pay it. So if they're able to just click and pay a bill online, or if they're able to pay it in a way that suits their payment methodology, and you can change this depending on your customer, then you have set it up well for you to have maximized your customers being able to pay you. Keep in mind, if you have actually got a really big customer and you're a small account for them, or you have them as a big account for you, you may have to actually slot in with their payment methods and their payment timing. Here's a tip. Some big businesses send out their invoices or send out their payments at a regular time each month. If you want your invoice to be paid by them, make sure it's in by that payment time so that you have the best chance of being paid by the end of that month instead of having to wait a whole month longer for your payment. So say you have a bill and they pay on the 30th of every month. Make sure your bill is in there at about the 25th, and you will get into that payment cycle on the 30th of that month instead of the 30th of the next month. This has been a Debtor Days cash flow tip.